Hello and welcome back to Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today I am sharing with you a sweet and savory Lagan. Lagan is an Indian dish kind of like a quiche without the crust. We're going to start with a chicken and sweet corn savory Lagan, which is quick and easy to prepare and is done in 15 minutes. This recipe will serve 6 people. And these are the ingredients that you will need. There are 2 parts to this recipe. The first part is to cook the chicken fillets separately, and then it's baking the chicken and sweet corn savory Lagan with the rest of the ingredients. To start, we will melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a saucepan. Then add in 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Once the garlic and butter start sizzling, add the chicken fillet to the saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of rough salt, and then fry the chicken until it is completely cooked and keep aside. In a separate bowl, add half a cup of milk and 3 eggs and beat this until it is slightly thick. To this bowl, you will add in half a cup of oil, half a cup of gram flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of semolina. Beat this again until it is properly incorporated. Then add in a sweet corn can, about 410 grams, and beat again. Throw in half a cup of cubed peppers and mix again. Add in the cooked chicken and place this in a lightly greased casserole dish. Garnish with some chopped coriander and bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Your chicken and sweet corn Lagan is now ready to be served. Garnish with some red chili flakes and more chopped coriander. We are going to be doing almond and coconut sweet Lagan. This is a soft, moist and spongy dessert. These are the ingredients that you will need for the almond and coconut lagan. There are two parts to this recipe as well, so watch closely. In a bowl, add 3 eggs, 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, and 1.5 cups of coconut, and beat this all together so that the ingredients are properly incorporated. Then keep this aside. In a separate pot, melt half a cup of ghee on medium heat and then add in half cup of semolina. Braise this until the semolina turns light pink. Once the semolina turns a light pink, add in the milk mixture and continue stirring. When you notice the semolina mixture starting to thicken a little, add in the sliced or ground almonds to the pot. When the consistency of the ingredients in the pot thickens, remove the pot from the stove and add in the can of cream. Lightly grease a rectangular dish and then place the mixture into this dish. Garnish with some almond flakes and place in an oven 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes until it turns golden brown in color. After 30 minutes, your almond and coconut lagan is now ready to be served. How delicious, soft and spongy this looks. A very delightful dessert indeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.